In our last episode, we visited southern India, from coastal towns to high up in the mountains.
We met up with my mom in the Netherlands and were introduced to relatives for the first time. It all started with the Kermis, a 3-day-long party involving many activities. We had a great time cruising around with Kelly and Stefan on their boat. They showed us around and we even had a nice picnic.
Good day for getting wet. We explored the Giethhoorn with a peaceful glide through the canals.
The butter market had lots of Dutch traditions. From shoemaking to butter making, there was lots to look at. As luck would have it, we were just in time for Sail Amsterdam, which happens every 5 years. It is one of the largest maritime manifestations in the world. It's a huge event where many boats, from tall ships all the way down to hundreds of historical ships, come and show off their boats.
Yeah, he's working with this guy. He's a
Oh gosh, she's just farting. There's a lot to see and experience in Amsterdam, from its street music to the canals with the houseboats.
We left the Netherlands by train and met up with our friend Felix from Germany. You guys might remember him from our video in Thailand. He showed us his father's incredible artwork, and we got to spend time with his family.
So we're inside a castle at the moment, visiting a friend. So many passageways.
Bringing the secret passageway behind the bookcase. You seriously wouldn't notice.
Wow. Hello.
So this is where we slept last night. Pretty sweet spot in the castle. A friend's brother's room.
We found that not planning too much can often lead to the best experiences. It was a very unique experience to sleep in a castle in Lindenberg. Thanks to Nico, Felix's friend, he toured us around the many rooms and passageways. His father had purchased the ruins of the castle.
The giraffe stairwell. The chain door.
Chain door. Heavyweight.
And he's slowly renovating it. The stone walls, ramparts, hidden doors, and rooftop views were breathtaking. Everything is being restored as closely to the original look as possible.
Okay. And the final ladder.
That's windy.
Yeah, it almost took the window, eh? So this is all being rebuilt right now, eh?
So all these red bricks, these are all fresh, like new bricks?
Pretty fresh, yeah.
Cool.
I think they bought some old, new, I think they are not like...
Not brand new?
Yeah, they are not brand new, but they bought old ones.
Yeah.
Like semi-old ones.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the ceilings here.
Right, it's nice, right?
Yeah.
And I clean everything right now with a high pressure
Okay.
water machine. So all the liquid in the wood and the timbers goes out. Because before it was pretty brown.
Really?
Now it's really clean. Pretty good as well.
Oh yeah.
Such a different view.
This is close to where we came yesterday, I think, eh?
Yeah, yesterday we were on the sun deck right there.
Okay.
Go there as well. A bit more view into the garden.
Oh yeah, there's the snitch. So all of this is original here, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
The stone there, you can kind of tell.
That's original.
Yeah, if it's not original, you guys did a good job of restoring it. Oh, it's beautiful, man.
After visiting Cologne Cathedral, we spent our last few days on our round-the-world trip in Rudesheim, a quaint town filled with vines and great Riesling. Along our cruise on the Rhine River, we saw many other castles. So that's the traditional things from Rudesheim?
The authentic Rudesheimer coffee has a very unique way of being prepared. They put in sugar and local brandy and then set it on fire. Then strong coffee is added before being then topped with vanilla sugar sweetened cream and chocolate shavings. It's delicious.
Brussels, the capital of Belgium, was such a beautiful place to visit. The Grand Place, courthouse, cathedrals, and many churches had such an intricate architecture. And the waffles were so good.
France was full of history, good cheese, and baguettes. Our experience would not have been the same if it wasn't for our couch surfing friend, Damien.
Thanks for watching our around the world trip. We met great people along the way and saw breathtaking locations. If you enjoyed this series, make sure to subscribe and like.